Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. In order to change the sway bar links on your vehicle, it is necessary to lift the front of your vehicle and to remove the wheels to have complete access to the suspension system. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels, raise the front of the vehicle and put it in the two-axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. You will then be able to take off the wheels. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use a penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. To replace it, start by releasing and removing the lower tie rod on the axle joint of the sway bar links. To do this, take a 60mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation of the tie rod with the spanner and remove the nut with the Allen key. Repeat the operation on the upper tie rod. Remove the nut and then the sway bar link. It may be necessary to lever it off to make this part easier.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
Take the new stabilizer bar link. Put it into the lower housing and start to screw the nut in a little. Then insert the upper part. It may be necessary to lever it in so that it goes in properly. Put the second nut in. Tighten the nuts using a socket wrench and a 16mm socket. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle, putting it back on the ground before properly fixing them in place. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.